cluster gear NRB. Use special tool, bearing installer. Use arbor press. Install NRB in the housing. Idle gear bush fitment. Use special tool. Install the bush. Main shaft NRB fitment. Use NRB installer driver tool. Use arbor press. Install NRB. Differential bearing fitment on crankcase. Use special tool, bearing installer. Use arbor press. Install ball bearing in the housing. Remove the special tool. Install the circlip. Crankcase, stub, bearing fitment. Ensure the holes in the stub bearing match with the holes in the crankcase. Place them on a special tool. Insert the special tool inside the crankcase, along with the stub bearings. Insert the supporting tool from other side. Tighten the nut until the stub bearing is pulled by the special tool up to the center of the crankcase. Remove the tool. Check proper seating of the stub bearing. Repeat the same process for other half on the crankcase. Pour some oil in oil gallery path from the top of the crankcase. Check the oil lubrication path.